Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. There's a lot of events going on during the summer times. Besides backyard parties, picnics, and holidays, there are also weddings, baby or bridal showers, and graduation parties. When hosting one of these events, cucumber tea sandwiches are a delicious choice. Quick and easy to make, these tasty little guys are elegant and set the tone perfectly for the occasion. So let's get cooking. In a bowl, we'll combine room temperature cream cheese, mayonnaise, which you can make from scratch by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, and Miracle Whip. I know some of you might lift your nose on the last ingredient, but it adds some sweetness as well as spices like mustard, paprika, and garlic, therefore giving another layer of flavor. We'll also add a little bit of garlic powder, the same with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir the ingredients until very well blended before adding fresh dill as well as fresh chives. Of course, we'll mix these two into the cream cheese mixture. Next, we'll spread a thin layer of the mixture onto each slice of bread, covering the entire surface but leaving a little gap around the edges. Now, using a mandolin, we'll thinly slice an English cucumber that has been washed and pat dry. The thickness we're looking for is about this, an 1/8 inch thick. We'll place a cucumber on the bottom bread slice, overlapping slightly, just like I'm doing here, but keeping them inside of the crust because, after we place the other bread slice on top, we'll remove them using a serrated knife. When the crusts are gone, we can slice the sandwich at an angle, making 4 pieces, or in thirds, giving us only 3 pieces, or simply cut in the middle, and again the other way, giving us 4 small pieces. We'll serve them immediately. And my friends, these are our cucumber tea sandwiches. Light and tasty, these cute little bites are perfect for summer. They are a great hors d'oeuvre to serve at your next event. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!